Okay, today I want to show you this super cool LiFo lithium ion 12 volt 100 amp battery I got. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. We're going to go set this up on my solar system in my trailer, but first I wanted to show you how it's packed and tell you that it's heavy. It is quite a substantial battery. Take it out of the box here, you can see it was packed really well, and like I said, it's heavier than the other LiPo battery I've got. It's pretty simple. There's plastic lugs here protecting it, and then it comes with two screws, positive and negative. Like I said, it's a lithium ion 100 amp. One thing to note with these batteries, when you charge them, if they go completely dead, when you put your charger on them, you need to have a special charger that kind of understands these, like a DC to DC 12 volt or a solar charge controller. And if it won't take a charge, you need to put 12 volts on this if it's completely dead to get your charger to start. I watched a video about that, so you can do a little bit more research on it. But anyway, this is going to be great for my solar setup. Just a follow up, I said it was a heavy battery. I went and weighed it. It's 22.5 pounds, so I guess that's nowhere near as heavy as a lead acid. So that was good information. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so for comparison, I thought this battery was really light, and I thought this one was heavy. This one weighs 22.5 pounds. This one weighs 22. So they're the same. Obviously, the same amp hours, the same composite. One other thing that's interesting. This is 6.5 by 10 by 8.5. This is 8.5 by 13 almost by 6.5. So this one's quite a bit bigger. Just for comparison, they're both the same LiPo lithium phosphate deep cycle batteries. So I thought that was cool to compare them.